everyone, and welcome to our special interview with Jeff Goldstein, the Vice President and General Manager of NetApp Canada. I'm Paul Dunley-Bletto, the editor of CDN Computer Dealer News. Jeff, one of the big hot button items for 2012 is big data. What are you seeing from a Canadian perspective? What are some of the issues, and what's NetApp's sort of solutions for big data?
So I think the first challenge with big data is to define it. Because I think it's kind of like the cloud was a couple of years ago. People would reference the cloud and everyone would mean something different.
Sure.
Right? So if I can, I'll just define it real quickly from a NetApp perspective. We make it as simple as ABC. Big data is all about analytics, to manage lots of data. It's all about big bandwidth, and it's all about big content. Right? Three really quite different technologies, kind of all up together in big data. And so we often, when customers come to us and say, let's talk about big data, we go, well, exactly what do you mean? So I think there are lots of applications going on that require big data. I think, as examples from a content perspective, Yahoo Mail, imagine how much mail they manage and how they manage that mail. Medical imaging, that relates to kind of lots of big bandwidth and big content, as well as analytics around how do you manage all the data and how do you now think about getting and making good business decisions from all that data, that massive amounts of data that you have, right? So it's coming. I think big data is here to stay. I think big data is growing. I think people's data requirements are only going up. And I think when you add full motion video in and some of the things we want to do around video surveillance, that's an application area that's only going to increase.
So what kind of a channel opportunity is big data for the solution provider community in Canada?
So I think my opinion is it is a specialized requirement, right? Being able to help customers manage huge amounts of data means you need to be a data management expert, right? So if you're in the resale community, it's not a fulfillment opportunity because customers are not going to create bombs of materials that they want to solve big data problems. But I think if you become a data management expert, and you can bring value to customers, there's a huge opportunity because I think customers need a lot of help. And there's a lot of emerging technology that IT shops are struggling with to try to get their arms around. So big opportunity, but you've got to be a specialist and really understand your stuff if you're going to be successful at it.
Very well. So there you have it, a small snippet on big data. Thank you very much, Jeff Goldstein of NetApp Canada. I'm Paul Dunley-Bletto for CDN Computer Dealer News. Thanks for watching.
Thanks very much.